So I just purchased a new smoker from Traeger. I'm just breaking it in right now. I had the Ranger and the temperatures were all over the place, so I ended up returning that one and buying a Trailhead. I think that's what it's called, from Costco. So I'm just breaking it in right now for the first time. It's really easy to prime it and break it in. Basically, you just hit the up arrow and the ignite button once, and then let the hopper load pellets into the fire pit. And then once that's done, you hit the up arrow and ignite again, and that stops it from priming. And then you just hit the up arrow to 450 to get the temperature up there, and you hit ignite. And then you want to let it run for 30 minutes to break it in. And then once that's done, you're good to go. So hopefully they put a new controller on this Trailhead as opposed to what the Ranger had, I understand. And so hopefully the temperatures won't fluctuate so much. Before, on the other one I had, the temperature was going up and down all over the place. And it was like you couldn't leave the smoker alone. You'd always watch it. So anyway, we'll see how this one does. Hopefully it'll work a lot better, because I've missed doing smoking on the meats. Okay, so the Trailhead Traeger smoker is coming up on the 450 mark, and now I need to let it pre-season or season for the next 30 minutes at 450. Okay, we're coming up on about 30 minutes that I've been running this smoker. The temperature's been staying pretty close to 450. It's fluctuating a little bit, but not too bad actually. So another couple minutes here, I'll be able to do the shutdown procedure on it. I'll show you how that works. Okay, we're ready to do the shutdown. It's really easy on this. You just hold this button for 3 seconds and it'll flash off, and then it should go to cool down mode, and it'll give you the temperature and time, how long it takes to cool down, and that's it. Pretty easy. Looks like it's hot. Okay. So once this cools down, then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it out. I'm looking forward to using this one. Okay, 10 minutes have gone by, and it just shut off. So all the pellets should have burned out of the hopper there. So once it gets completely cool, I'm going to go ahead and clean everything off and vacuum it. So once it shuts off, it stays in the standby mode. So it's ready to take any buttons you want to push to activate anything. So when you're all done there, in the back is the power button here. And you just shut this off right here. So now it's off. Okay, the first thing you want to do is, when you're done pre-seasoning your grill, is to clean it with, I like to wipe this temperature sensor off really well, make sure it's clean. Then I like to vacuum out all these excess pellets. good to do that after every time you use it, just so that there's no excess pellet dust in there. Okay, we're all done today.